Hey guys, welcome back to our lives as 8th graders. It is Sunday and today I'm gonna be making chicken fried rice. I've made it before and it was actually the best thing in the entire universe. It was so freaking good. And so I'm gonna make it again today. It's homemade, I think. Yeah. It's not too complicated. It's pretty self-explanatory, but if you're lazy like me and you want some step-by-step steps, that's a lot of steps. Anyways, if you want some step-by-step instructions, then this is the place for you. It is so freaking good. So yeah, let's get into it because I'm hungry. So first you need to get some rice. So I'm just using this rice. I don't think it really matters. I'm gonna do the whole thing. I'm gonna do 4 cups. So yeah, you can just follow the instructions because they're all different and just get your rice cooking. We actually have to have our chicken defrost, so I'm gonna put the rice on the stove in a little bit, but now I'm gonna get some veggies chopping. Whoa, nothing's happening.
Uh-oh.
Whoa.
But a little bit of it is too, like this part.
Whoa.
That was a little rubbery, like it was. Like
Watch this magic. I like cutting carrots, so I'm just gonna cut them myself, but look how cool this is. And then boom, they're all cut. Just like that. Okay, so I just cut carrot and bell pepper, and then I have green onion, then regular onion over there, and then I have some peas in the fridge, and that is it for vegetables. For reference, I did about 4 green onions, and then, I don't know, a lot of carrots, and then 1 bell pepper, and then 1 onion. Yeah. But the amount of vegetables that you do can just kind of depend on how much you like, or which vegetables are your favorite over. You can add any more, any less. I don't know, I'll probably use a cup of peas. There's probably gonna be a cup of carrots, and then, like I said, a bell pepper, 4 green onions, and 1 onion. So here's the chicken. Oh, I'm so excited to cut that. Definitely doesn't look disgusting. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this chicken. Fun times. Oh great, this looks interesting. Oh, so nasty. So gross, okay. Dang, I need to get the rice on the stove. I'm already too far into cooking this chicken, so. Oh, this is nasty, man. Did we get the rice started on?
Or the boil to see. That's what it is. Oh, that means I'm gonna call the cops.
Someone's gonna call the cops. Ew, I'm just really excited to pick the raw chicken out of my fingernails. Yeah. And then put your chicken and your onion in a, what's it called? Salami? A wok. A wok? And a wok.
W-O-K.
W-O-K. We got our rice boiling, and then our chicken and onions cooking, and then eventually we'll start cooking our other vegetables and add in our eggs, and then add it all together with, yeah. And then add bell pepper. And then I'll add all the rest of the vegetables and then the eggs.
Into it.
And then you add everything together, and then you add soy sauce.
Where'd the soy sauce?
How does it taste?
Good. Oh, delicious.
It is so good. I love it so much.